Students of 8th class, in this video we shall do the revision of second chapter, that is with love and compassion. Love is a complex set of emotions, as I told you. Behavior with strong feeling of affection, protectiveness, respect for another person. So students, in this chapter we had done brainstorming session and we made analysis of few pictures. We made analysis of these pictures and also the questions under brainstormings. Okay, so students, we also studied the seeds of love, and it was a beautiful story which was liked by you. Now, love and compassion form the foundation of human relations. They make it possible for one to understand the suffering of another. Compassion is about putting oneself into the other person's shoes, trying to feel their pain and anxiety. A compassionate person treats others just as he or she wants to be treated under the same circumstances. A compassionate person tries to make others happy. The most amazing factor is that person himself enjoys happiness in doing so. Once a man saw a scorpion moving around in the water to find a way to escape. He decided to save it by stretching out his fingers. But the scorpion stung him. The man still tried to get the scorpion out of the water, but the scorpion stung him again. A man nearby told him to stop saving the scorpion that kept stinging him. But the man said, "It is the nature of scorpion to sting. It's my nature to love. Why should I give up my nature to love just because it is the nature of the scorpion to sting?" So, students, think about this chapter. It is your homework. Through this small video, I would like to ask you to revise this chapter and also go through the question answers and see whether how much you have inculcated the feeling of love and compassion towards others, towards your neighbors, towards the needy people. Okay, so without discrimination with anyone, irrespective of color, caste, creed, we need to love each other, especially the needy. So we can evolve together in our own way. So love is abundance and all around in all forms, colors, and lights of relationship. Thank you.